Hey there Winsinkers and fellow content creators, Ishan here from the SyncWin team. If you have been scrolling through platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels or TikTok, you have probably stumbled upon those captivating viral videos. You know the ones where still images of historical figures and famous personalities spring to life as mesmerizing CGI animated talking avatars. It's like they are right here with us, speaking and interacting. And guess what? The magic behind these captivating videos is the power of artificial intelligence tools. They are creating waves of engagement, sparking curiosity, and providing incredible storytelling opportunities for online businesses like yours. Just imagine the impact these videos can have on your content production game. If you also want to create these kinds of talking avatar videos, stick around and I will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating an AI animated talking avatar video using a powerful AI powered tool. But before we dive in, let me give you a sneak peek of the stunning end results we are going to achieve.
Haven Sinkers. I'm an animated character made using Studio DID. To make an AI avatar like me, watch this entire step by step process.
So now that you know what we are going to create, so let's begin with the process. Creating an avatar image. To start this journey, we need a captivating image that's ready to spring to life. You have got a couple of options here. You can either conjure your own visual masterpiece using the user-friendly tool called Leonardo AI, where your creativity can run wild. However, if you are feeling a bit stuck, you can lean on the mighty AI prowess of ChatGPT to craft the perfect prompt. Or alternatively, you can simply pick any image, it could even be yours, that you want to transform into a talking avatar. Open Studio DID dashboard. Now that you have your avatar image ready, it's time to enter the Studio DID dashboard. This is where the magic happens. When you access the dashboard, you will find a collection of ready-made characters. However, if you are looking to make your own custom character, simply upload your chosen image. Convert image to talking avatar videos. With your image uploaded, hit the create button on the right hand side. You will notice a box where you can type in your script what you want your AI character to say. Once that's set, scroll down a bit and you will find a selection of ready to use AI voices for different characters. Choose the voice that resonates with your avatar and hit the generate button. Just like that, your AI character is brought to life. Add subtitles to the talking avatar videos. You might have noticed that those viral videos often have beautifully added subtitles. These subtitles add an extra layer of appeal to the video. To add subtitles, we recommend using FlexClip, our go-to video editor. Alternatively, you can explore other powerful tools like Vid.io or HappyScribe for video subtitles. Add a music to talking avatar video. To truly elevate your video, consider adding a fitting piece of music that aligns with your topic. Music has a way of breathing life into your content, making it all the more engaging. As soon as your subtitles are in place, incorporate the music and your video will come to life even more. Once everything's set, go ahead and download your masterpiece. Bonus tip: if you're feeling extra creative, you can use a custom or your own AI generated voice. For this, you will need a voice cloning tool like 11 Labs or Descript Overdub. Generate the audio and import it into Studio DID for a truly unique touch to your talking avatar. Interested in exploring this further, we have got a video on the best AI voice cloning tools. The link is in the description. Before we wrap up, a quick heads up. If you plan to use creation commercially, you will need to invest in the Pro plan of Studio DID. However, feel free to experiment with the free plan first to see if it's the right fit for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. And if you are curious about other alternative AI avatar creation tools, including a free one, check out this next video. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video. Stay tuned and stay creative. Don't forget to visit our website syncwin.com for more insights on making money online with the power of AI and no code.